you very much. I am a girl. My name is Fadhia. I am 6 years old. I live in Karachi. I study in class KG2. My favorite pet animal is cat. This is a pet animal. Its color is white. She likes to play. It has fur. The melon. It is a blue. Its color is yellow. It tastes sweet. It has Spanish teeth. One thing about vegetable. This is avocado. It is a vegetable. Its color is brown. Its taste is good. And software. SOST operating system. OPERATL means operating SOST network. NETWORK computer. CM computer. Computer mouse. MIUS mouse. How many days are there in the month of February? There are 28